Alright, for this course you do not have a final test, but you do have a final project. And this paragraph here explains the final project and the rationale behind the final project. And what you're to do is you're to look for a program, preferably a Web 2.0 technology, and here are some links, and this PDF is available on the course webpage. So you can look at these links and you click on them, it'll take you to the website. And for your final project, what you're going to do is you're going to create a website, a new one, and save it as My Final Project. You're going to create a web page and save that as index.html. Here are the requirements for your index page. Notice we need the copyright information, and notice we need a link to the site where you found your tool, tutorial, or whatever. Then, once you create your index page, you're going to create your dynamic web template. And you're going to attach an external file sheet. If you wish, you can do this step first, and then create your index page off of that page. But on your dynamic web template, you're going to have interactive buttons. You're going to have copyright information. You're going to have an original graphic pertaining to the tool, tutorial, etc. And you're going to have a header that reflects your tool, tutorial, etc. And then you're going to use this dynamic web template to create at least 4 new pages. Now if you're using your index page, assume we've already created that. If you haven't, then it'd be 5 pages. Your website in total should be at least 5 pages long. But here are the 4 pages beyond the index. You have a page that has the actual tool embedded, or the work created by using the tool. You'll have one page that will have a 4 to 10 sentence summary about the strengths of the tool. The next page will have a 4 to 10 sentence summary about the weaknesses or dislikes of your tool. And then you'll have a one page, your last page will contain 4 to 10 sentence summary about the overall opinion of your tool. And I'll show you some examples of some previous final students turned in. Make sure you create interactive buttons for the home page, linking it to all the other pages within your site. And then use those same buttons on your dynamic web template, and make sure all your buttons go to the intended web page. And that's it for your final project. So here's a couple good websites, and I will show you a list of other tools that are available.